So today I'm fixing, or going to be trying to fix, my weed trimmer. I've had it about, I don't know, 10 years. Just a Yardworks Canadian Tire weed trimmer. Had it for quite a while and never had a problem, but then now the string broke. So ordinarily I would have just thought, oh well, I guess I'll just never trim the edges again. But now, because I have fixed a few things myself, I thought, okay, I'm gonna try. So I thought maybe it'd just run out of string. There is a button here to have more of the string advance, but of course that wasn't the case. And then it's got these little arrow things, these little things that you push in, and then the thing pops off the end. Of course, it's not as easy with just one hand when I'm trying to hold the camera. Hang on. I did do it before. Okay, yeah, so this comes off, and then there's a spool, which of course the spool is empty. So I'm going to get a new spool of string and put it on, and hopefully it'll work again. Hi, so I went to Canadian Tire and I brought the old spool so I'd be able to match it up and make sure it's the same one. So I found one. It's looks the same to me. So it was $11.99 to replace it, but to me that's not too bad after 10 years to just have to spend $12 and have a new spool of string that hopefully lasts another 10 years. Now I just got to put it on here. So hopefully I can figure this out. I would think I can just pop it on just like the old spool was on there. So let me just see. This is seeing, but so they look the same to me, exactly the same. So this just goes on here. Here, let me just bring this over here. So yeah, so it just clips in there like that. And then there's a little hole here. And then I'm gonna put it on there. So like there. And then put it on. And hopefully it's alright. I won't know till I try it if it actually works. But sticking out, and then that's what actually cuts the weeds or the edges of the grass. So then you clip. Okay, so I've got it on there. The string coming out. Clip the top back on. And hopefully it's gonna work. So I'm gonna try it and we'll see.